good. So today kids, I'm here with lesson 5 with a Kathak. So we'll talk about Chakra today. So there is so much varieties in Chakra in Kathak. So first, Teen Chakra, that is complete in 3 steps, then 4 Chakra, and then with a 5. So basically with 3, that is Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Thai. Ta, Thai, Tat. In 4, Ta, Thai, Thai, Tat. So in 5, basically Tikta, Tik, Tik, Thai. So today we'll talk about Teen Chakra, that is Ta, Thai, Tat. So let's start how to do. So first with the Utpatti position, any chakra, any mudra position, any sthir, any naman, and we'll start with the Utpatti as I told you in previous lessons. So first we'll start with Utpatti. Your legs should be like this and your hands like this. Okay? Little down, not that much. Little down. So first Ta. 1, 2, 3. So open your hand like this. So let's start with the Ta. So that is 1. Open your right hand and left hand like this. Right hand should be forward side and left hand should be back and position like this. Okay. So Ta. So now tap your left leg, basically tap back and close your hands and front. So 1, 2, 3 that I told. So how it do? Let's do one more time. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. So only in 3 tapping we have done the chakra, that is Ta, Thai, Tat. So when we start Ta, so your half chakra is done in Ta. So Ta like this, okay? We front and Ta. Then Thai back and Tat front again. It should be a balance. Again Ta, Thai back, Tat. Again Ta, Thai, Tat. Let's do with the hands. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. So this is how. So do practice with these chakra. This is for Teen Chakra, that is Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. Ta, Thai, Tat. So thank you.